All right, are you ready to paint? Today you're going to use the primary colors red, blue, and yellow to make all the colors in the rainbow. So first, remember, blue and yellow makes green, red and yellow makes orange, and red and blue makes violet or purple. So you're going to need to mix orange, green, indigo, which is a blue violet, and just a regular violet. Let's get going, everybody. All right, you get to use your very own watercolor set today. So first you have to wake up your colors with a little bit of water. Sometimes I do this a few times and get a lot of that color on my brush. So the first color of the rainbow is a primary color and it is red, so you don't need to mix that color. Did you notice how the color kind of ran out on my brush? So I need to dip it in the red again to make the red nice and bright. So it's okay if you go over your color a few times to make that color more vibrant. Okay, can anyone guess what the next color in the rainbow is? So we know Roy G. Biv, and that'll help us remember the order. What does that O stand for? So I'm using red, but I want to mix this color, and the color is orange. So I can do red and lots of yellow to make my orange for the O for the Roy G. Biv. So red and yellow will make your orange, and you can put that next on your rainbow. Again, you might have to do it a few times to make the color nice and vibrant. Also, if you want, you're probably like, Miss Owen, I see an orange right there. Why can't I use that orange? I want you to try to mix it first with the primary colors, red and yellow. But if you want to go over with orange last, you can go one more time with just the regular orange. That is fine with me. Okay, what comes next? We got red, orange. What comes after orange? It starts with a Y. And it happens to be one of our primary colors. Yellow. Yellow comes next. So it's a primary color, so we don't have to mix it. We can just paint that yellow on our rainbow. Okay, what do you think comes next? So it's Roy G. Biv. And what do you think the G stands for? Does anybody have a guess? So it's a color we need to mix. So it's yellow with a little blue. Yes, so G stands for green. I think I need more blue, so we're gonna put some more blue in there. There we go, to make my green. All right, does anyone have a guess what comes after green in the rainbow? Blue, so just regular blue comes next. And it's another primary color. Remember, our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So you don't need to mix that color, just put it down. All right, next up is indigo. And indigo is a nice midnight blue color, kind of a blue violet. So I'm making it by taking blue and putting violet in it. You can also do blue with a touch of red if you want to try that too. So I'm going to put that down. And then, what's the last color? What does the V stand for in the rainbow? Does anyone have a guess? V in the rainbow. So after you do your indigo, that nice dark blue, you're gonna make a violet. Uh-oh, I got some color in my watercolor paint, but that's okay, it can be wiped out. But we do wanna try our best to wipe our brush each time. Do you see how I keep dipping my brush in the water? That way we do keep our watercolor paints nice and bright and clean. Do you see how I just wet that red and it cleans it up pretty well if you kind of swirl it around a bit? So that helps a lot. Okay, so since we mixed in our lid of our watercolor paint, we need to take a paper towel and wipe that clean before it dries. So there we go. All right, now have fun making your rainbows, everybody.